The iPad Air 5 is a powerful and versatile device that can handle a wide range of tasks, including productivity and entertainment. However, whether or not it can fully replace a laptop depends on your specific needs and preferences. Here are some points in favor and against using an iPad Air 5 as a laptop replacement. Points in favor. Portability. The iPad Air 5 is much lighter and thinner than most laptops, making it easy to carry around with you wherever you go. Touchscreen. The iPad Air 5 has a large, high-quality touchscreen that allows you to interact with your apps and content in a more intuitive and natural way than a traditional laptop. Battery life. The iPad Air 5 has a long battery life, allowing you to use it for several hours without needing to recharge. Apps. There are many productivity apps available for the iPad that can help you get work done, such as Microsoft Office, Google Docs, and Adobe Creative Cloud. Connectivity. The iPad Air 5 has built-in Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, so you can easily connect to the internet and stay productive on the go. Points against L. Keyboard. While the iPad Air 5 supports external keyboards, it may not be as comfortable to type on as a laptop keyboard, especially for extended periods of time. File management. The iPad's file management system may be more limited and less intuitive than that of a laptop, making it difficult to manage and organize large files and folders. Compatibility. Some software and hardware may not be compatible with the iPad Air 5, which could limit your ability to perform certain tasks or use certain devices. Multitasking. While the iPad Air 5 supports multitasking, it may not be as seamless or efficient as on a laptop, especially if you need to switch between multiple apps frequently. Cost. Depending on the configuration and accessories you choose, the iPad Air 5 can be more expensive than some laptops with similar or better specs. Ultimately, whether or not the iPad Air 5 is a good replacement for a laptop depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you primarily need a device for basic productivity tasks and entertainment, the iPad Air 5 may be a great choice. However, if you require more advanced features or need to work with specific software or hardware, a laptop may be a better option.